Okay, everybody, in the previous lessons, we talked a lot about what we are going to do in our trading and what a strategy we have, and we created a strategy for us to doing. And let's go and see which currency we are going to trade. We are going to use something not too up and not too down. We are going to use which currency? Let's see. We are going to use let's see what coins it have. We are going to use Litecoin. I don't know why, but just let's use Litecoin. It's similar to Bitcoin and we can do some trade on it. Let's go to full chart. In the next lessons, we are going to try to find a, let's see what is happening. Why it is loading too bad. Oh, sorry, we have trading panel here. Let me just make it down for now. Okay, thanks, bye. Okay, we have our trading panel here. I can make it bigger. No, I can make it bigger by here. It's too big. I want to make it. Okay, it's good. It's the thing we need. We can buy here, and as you see, our money is $100,000, and we are going to see how much we can trade. Let's say we create an Excel here for the money. We know how much we can trade. Let's say the first money we have is $100,000. If I create it right, let's see. Yes, it's right. And 10% of $1,000, how much it's gonna be? It's gonna be $10,000. We can trade up to $10,000, and for that we need to start our trading by ordering up to $10,000. Let me just calculate it here. 10% is $10,000. Okay, we just going to find the position, and as you can see, if it's broke the line, we are going to buy. And how we can predict that? We can't always be on the market. You are right. We are not going to find that like that. What we are going to do, we are going to just say buy or lose when we saw the chart. For example, here I think we have a special thing that says the price is going to be down. Because of that, we can open a sell or buy. But today we are not going to open buy or sell. Today we just define the crypto we are going to trade, and the Excel we are going to write everything that we do in our Excel. Okay. Until that time, don't forget to like and subscribe. I tell you, this is not a trade. Sorry, this is not a trading course. This is just my trading journey. If you like, you can watch. But I prefer to watch my another video that are some good tutorial on our channel. You can watch them. Until the next day and next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you have anything in the comment. I will be happy to be a help.